Good morning! Today's Friday. Nandito yung mga bata, walang pasok. Kaya gagawa tayo ng masarap na almusal para sa kanila. Special almusal for today. Gagawa tayo ng fruits and cheese. Grapes. Prutas muna ilalagay natin. Kung meron kayo sa bahay, kahit anong prutas, mga cheese, pwede kayong gumawa sa bahay. Pwedeng pang party, small party, sa bahay, pwede nyong gawin ito. Meron tayong almond. Dito ko ilalagay. Walnuts. Biscuit. Diyan na lang sila. At itong mga cheese natin. Dates. Dates natin. Yun na dito para magkasya sa lalagyan. At itong hang, tarpis hang. Siguradong magugustuhan ni Tamim ito. Ito na, tapos na. Mga tinapay. Ready na dito. Masarap to isaw-saw sa kape. O kaya sa tea. At meron kaming harap din ngayon ng umaga. Good morning, baby Tamim. You like the food today? I prepare for you good food. Special food today, breakfast. Tamim. Tamim, we'll eat now. Our breakfast for today is ready. May tinapay tayo, may jam tayo dito. Peach jam, strawberry jam, peanut butter. Favorite ni Yusef. May karak tayo. Let's eat. Malamig dito sa labas pero magandang klima. Masarap kumain dito. Try this peach jam.
Really today, good breakfast. My wife cooked for us because today's weekend. We need to enjoy wife cook.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And kids know school.
She cook different kind of food. Yeah. You can see. Very delicious. Thank you very much.
Of
Thank
course.
you.
ating breakfast.
So let's try. Let's try wife. Yeah. Delicious. Thank you.
Mama, ito na. Enjoy food, breakfast.